fromage is a classic Danish dessert. A light, airy lemon mousse we top with a dusting of powdered sugar, freshly whipped cream, and candied lemon peel. And it's a quickie! This goes together just like our Bavarian cream. In a metal bowl, pour in an envelope of unflavored gelatin, half a cup of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt. Then whisk the yolks in until they're light and lemony color. You can do this by hand if you have Popeye arms. We use a hand mixer because that's why God invented it. Whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream and place your bowl over a pot of hot water and stir constantly until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. This will take about 10 minutes. Remove it from the heat and stir in a quarter cup of lemon juice. And the zest of those lemons. We're using our 4-cup Charlotte mold this time. Chill it in the fridge until it's set, or pop it in the freezer if you have a short attention span like we do. You can use this candied recipe for anything. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil with a half a cup of sugar. And julienne your peel. That means chop them up the size of matchsticks. Hey, where you going? Come back here. They'll curl when you boil them. You can see it's coming loose from the sides. That's the sign it's ready. Yep, turn it upside down and carefully. Yay! Now dust that puppy with powdered sugar, pipe on the whipped cream, and decorate it with the candied lemon peel. It's perfect. We have so much fun here. We do.